Hello friends, welcome back. Shravan Reddy here. So today I'm going to explain you how to trade stock options and in simple words how to write stock options and how to see success in writing stock options intraday using Astha Leverage and Tradepro tools. And you know friends, from Traepro we are offering you a great set of tools, birth tools plus volume profile scanner and a lot of other tools like signal systems and many other things. But today I'm going to explain you how you can make best use of those tools while coming to intraday option writing. So option writing, everyone have a negative feeling friends actually stating that you'll have unlimited risk and limited profit. Yes, mathematically that's correct. Whatever it's been there, that's correct. But there is a way that you can change it. So the importance of the intraday trading comes into picture. So use option writing for intraday trading. Everything will change. It will work in the same option buying direction. You can do option selling. It's just like you have two types of trading, right? Buying versus shorting, right? You does the same thing. You just short the options and take the profit. You'll have the same amount of risk that how when you short your stocks, even when you short options. But the key advantage that you are going to gain when you short options is the time value decay. And that too for stock options which have low volatility, the time value decay plays a very important role and options will decay at least 4 to 5% per day. In simple words, friends, try stock option writing with Astha Leverage and Traepro tools. Now I'm going to explain you how Astha Leverage works for you in doing intraday option writing. Let me go to Astha site and friends actually these are the stock options that they are offering for your writing. For Nifty intraday you can do it for 2500 rupees and per lot is required, the margin required is 2500 rupees per lot, and bank nifty also 2500 rupees per lot, and for ACC 12,651 rupees. See ACC, if you are using some other broker, they'll charge you almost like 1.5 lakhs even if you are doing intraday shorting, intraday option writing. But here you can just put in 12,651 rupees and you can short ACC. Likewise friends, you can use the stock options to write them and gain profits on an intraday basis. See here, if you are going to write Aravind, the margin that you require is just 6,804 rupees for that particular day. So, and Aravind is at 57 rupees, and the options might be at 50 pies or 60 pies. Even if you're going to gain a 20 to 30 pies in that, 6,000 per lot, 6,000 into 30 pies, 1,800 rupees. So you will gain an 1,800 rupees with just an investment of 6,804 rupees. So that's a fantastic thing, right? Almost like 30% return that you are going to get. And Ashok Leyland, one of the best volatile stocks, and even its options also will have equal liquidity. So 8,712. And one more key thing which you have to note down, friends, is like while buying stock options, every other trader faces one problem, the liquidity crisis. But for stock option writing, the liquidity crisis won't, you won't face any liquidity crisis actually. So but before that itself, we will choose what is the right stock to sell. And at the end of the day, even during the closure, most of the option buyers will be in a rush to close their positions thinking that tomorrow there will be a overnight decay. Night decays will be there, friends. Market, though market operates from morning 9:30 to 3:30 in the evening, 9:15 to 3:30 in the evening, but there will be nighttime decay will be there, because like options are mathematical products. So during nights, option value will be lost, so option buyers will be in a rush to close their positions. So it is a boon for you as an option writer, and you will not face any liquidity problem for option writing. So in today's example, we will take Ashok Leyland and see how Ashok Leyland have moved today, and how you would have benefited from Ashok Leyland using breadth tools and Astha leverage. Astha gives, as I mentioned, the leverage that is the margin that is needed to trade Ashok Leyland is 8,700 rupees, and if you have just 8,700 rupees in your account, you can write one lot of uh, Ashok Leyland, and the brokerage charge per lot is same, 40 rupees for the whole trade. Buy order 20 and buy order 10 and sell order 30. So total the brokerage charge will be 40 rupees per lot. And even when you are buying stock options, friends, most of you used to buy just one lot, because stock options are a bit risky. So we suggest to trade it with just one or two lots at the max and gain maximum profit. And once again, friends, see, I just want to take a pause here and see how much leverage they are giving you. And with just less than 10,000 rupees of capital, you can gain at least 2 to 3,000 rupees per day with multiple trades when you are using volume profile scanner and Astha trading. Sorry for that cough. Actually, I'm having a really bad breath. So, well, coming back to the story, friends. Here, I want to show you Ashok Leyland how you would have traded, and the margin required is 8,700 rupees, as I mentioned. Let's see Ashok Leyland chart today. So in Ashok Leyland chart, I have applied the Nifty Auto sectorial money flow analytics to understand whether money is available in that sector or not. That means whether the big time investors are interested in the sector or not, we have to understand it, right? So now, friends, actually, when you see in the morning Ashok Leyland opened flat and it had a drop, pretty bad drop. It had a pretty bad drop, and when you see here, many people thinks that it might fall down, thinking that it will break a trend line or it will break something, but it didn't fall. And if you have seen it, friend, the cash flow inflow was there in this particular sector. On a whole, the auto sector have attracted some cash inflow, and withdrawals are also pretty less. So that ensured you capture a proper reversal. So what you would have done, so you have to just change the chart time frame to 1 hour to see which options you are safe for you to write. So when I say, and I'm going to see it like here, the day start when 73, when it came to 73, the most safest option for you to write is 70 on a reversal, the 70 PE. You would have written 70 PE to gain a great profit, right, friends? Actually, let me show you in Zerodha. It will be it has a great interface, so rather than Astha, but Astha gives a great leverage. So Ashok Leyland 70 P. Okay, it was at 65 paise, and in the morning it was at 1 rupee, friends. Actually, so see, you would have got this option at 1 rupee, and volume profile scanner have given it today, and at 1 rupee, if you have written this option, and it is very safe to write that 70 PE considering the volatility of the market. You know the beta, how this beta bands works, and I have explained in multiple videos how you can use these beta bands for your to identify which options are safe to write. These are VIX volatility index. It takes the India volatility index into account to calculate the beta, to calculate the particular stocks volatility. Okay. This is more powerful than the implied volatility, friends, that you get from your option chains, because like VIX is a broader range and optimize, it's calculated pretty in optimized way. So you can use these bands to find which is the safest option to write. Okay, no need to search which option to buy and which option to write. Here you can simply do it. This option went to 1 rupee in the morning, and now 70p went to 1 rupee in the morning, and it settled down at 65 paise in the day, and even during the day also it reached to 65 paise immediately after that first morning cramp. It broke down and reached to the previous day low 65 paise. So that means it's a 35 paise profit, friends. So if the current lot size is 4,000 and the margin required is around 8,700 rupees, if you would have invested 8,700 rupees, you would have got around a profit of around 35 paise, which is like close to your 1350 1350 or 1,500 rupees profit. You would have got it very easily, friends. So it's very simple, right? Stock option trading now, it's very safe, and no liquidity problem, and you know which options to write, and you know whether money is available in that particular sector or not. All this information is there within your hands, friends. So now it is very easy for you to write options. So think about this way of achieving your financial goal and becoming a professional trader. So most of the traders, friends, when they are doing stock options or stock futures, they don't use this kind of precise information. They just rely on some indicator, state that that indicator had that crossover, and indicator didn't break trend line, or something else. They'll say all this uh, not, they are not able to prove with them. Okay, they don't have any proof. But here, if you see, the money flow is the proof. If you can see money is being positive, so overall the sector itself is gaining some momentum because of positive cash injection. So, and that is what I want to explain, friends, to you. Use volume profile scanner and find out the best stocks. Use Astha to get a great leverage, and brokerage is also same as Zerodha. So, and just it's a 40 rupees per lot, and of course Zerodha gives it more, or any other broker gives it like you take any number of lots, they charge only flat. But here in stock options or something, we don't trade in a bigger way, right? Multiple lots or 10 lots or 20 lots. It is not good also to trade 20 lots in stock options until unless it is like bank nifty or nifty, okay, which have greater liquidity than stock options. So this is all I want to explain, friends, to you. Use our tools, and use the best brokerage, and gain confidence in you and become a successful trader. With this, I want to end this video and say a big thank you for watching our videos, and our tools will help you to become a successful trader. Thank you. Bye bye.